Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I will add a contact form. Okay, here when I scroll down I just need to add the margin top here. Here for the carousel or the slideshow I can make here padding tab 5. No, it is not okay. I think margin tab. Okay, we got a problem here. I will delete this part. Okay, when I scroll up here, I have the section of this card. Where is it? Here, margin betting bottom of 5. This is much great. Okay, and now I can add here something like the contact form. Okay, let's go to the contact form. Okay, the form. Okay. Here I can add something like the name first. I can add a name. I will copy this part here. I just make here div with a class of a container. Okay. Here. I just want to add here padding bottom of 5. Okay. So here I have a section with a class of contact. The class of contact. And div with the class of container with a style of width just 60%, it's okay. And here div with the class of row, and here div with the class of column, and another div with the class of column, div with the class of column. I will copy this form here, and here I have this one. Okay, here I can make for name, and this to be name with a class of form label, and here to be name. Okay, and here for the name. Great. Let's see what we have here first when I reload the page. Here I have this. This is much great, right? Okay, here I can make a name. Then I have here the phone, and this to be having the phone. Type of number, and this for the phone. Let's see what we have here when I reload. This is much great. Okay, and now I can add something like the select area. So here in the form, when I scroll down, let's search for the select area. This one, the select. Okay. This one. I just have in here. Where is it? I just need to copy this part and paste it here. Okay, I will copy this and paste it here instead of this input. Let's see what we have here first when I reload the page. Much great. I just need to let's delete this. Great. Okay, now I can make here I can make 1 to 2 people, and here 2 to 4 people, and here 4 to 8 people, and finally the last one from 8 to 20 people. Okay, so here I got this part. Great. What now? Here I can add this to be button success. In here I can make bedding of 3 and bedding left of 5 and bedding right of 5. And here style of text transform into uppercase. So here I got a problem here. Yes, we just get a small problem here. This should be just 4. Let's try the 4. Not okay. I will delete this part. Okay, this is better, I think. And I can add a bedding of 1. I think there's a bedding of 1. No. Okay, I will leave it like this. Great. And what now? After what I did here, I can make the check. Where is the check? Copy this check and paste it for here. After this part. Okay. Where is it? Here. Great. And I think it will be better if it is here. In this part. And margin top of 3. Great. And what now? Here I can add another column. I can copy all of that, all of this form, and paste it for the next one. Copy and paste. And what can I add here for the contact form? I can add a last name. So here I will make this to be first name, and this to be the last name. And here I can make the email, this to be email, and here email for the email. Okay, email. Now I have this, I just need to delete. We will never share your email with anyone else. To be here, info, and I will delete this one here. I was about to delete all of that. Okay, so here I got this, and I can delete. Here I have this and this. I can delete the select area if I want, or I can delete this part. I don't need it. Great. What now? I can delete the submit button here. I will leave this like that. It will be the same. Doesn't matter. Okay, where is the button here? I will delete the button. And here I can add something different. Here I can add something like I am just thinking about it. Okay. What now? Okay, where's the button? The checkbox here, I will delete it. Okay, here I have an option here. Where's the select area? Select area, the form control. Okay. The select area. I will copy this part here and paste it for this part. Let's see what we have here when I reload the page. Here I have the select area, and I will copy the submit button and the checkbox. Where are they? Okay. When I scroll down here, I will cut this part and paste it here. So here I got this. I just need to edit the submit button, or I will leave it like this. It is much beautiful. Okay. Here I can make I don't know, I can add here I have read and agree with the terms and Okay, with N. Okay, here. And then I have this here. Great. Now we are done with this project. Okay, when I make this like this, I had this, we have no problem here. And for this screen, we have no problem for any screen. Great, now we are done with this website. From the next section, we will add the last website we have in this course. So, good luck and have fun.